Thank you, Mr. Presenter, for giving me a chance to say something. All adulations and magnificence are ascribed to Allah, and may perpetual blessing and tranquility be bestowed upon His exalted Messenger, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Today, event is being meticulously orchestrated by Rawzatul Jannat Aliyah Madaniya Madrasa. Present at today's gathering are esteemed academicians, scholars, illustrious panels of educators. The topic delineated by the organizers for today is discourse profoundly and consequential for the nation, civilization, and the collective welfare of humanity. Their participants, when you look back at history, you find countless examples where young people have been driving force behind revolutions, reformations, and transformations. Dear participants, from the early days of Islam, we see the youth playing pivotal roles. Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu, one of the first to accept Islam, was a young man. Hazrat Usama bin Zayd radiallahu ta'ala anhu, at the age of just 17, was entrusted by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to lead an army. This example reminds us that the young people have been always instrumental in bringing about positive change. Dear participants, in today's world, the role of youth is more critical. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in hadith, "Sab'atu yuzilluhumullahu ta'ala fi zillihi yawma la zilluhu illa zillah. Iqamun 'adlun wa shabun nasha'a fi ibadatillah ila akhir al-hadith." Aw kama qala alayhi salatu wassalam. That means one day where will be no shade without the shade of Allah. On that day, our Creator, the Almighty Allah, shade 7 types of peoples. Number 1, a just ruler, and number 2, a youth who worship Allah in his young time. Their participants, social change requires fresh ideas, enthusiasm, and forest qualities that define the younger generations. However, these younger generations, this importance comes from a great responsibility. As a Muslim students, we must understand that our actions should always align with the values of justice, compassion, and integrity. Their participants, the digital age has also provided us with tools that were unimaginable to previous generations. Social media, for instance, can be a powerful platform for spreading awareness about important issues. However, social change does not always require big steps. Even a small act of kindness and community shelter service can have a ripple effect, helping neighbors, respecting elders, or standing up against injustice in our daily life. However, in conclusion, the role of youth in social change is undeniable. Our Creator, the Almighty Allah, said in Quran, "A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim, inna Allah la yughayyiru ma biqawmin hatta yughayyiru ma bi anfusihim." That means, until Allah will not change the condition of people, indeed they will change what's in themselves. At last, may Allah confer upon the Rawzatul Jannat Aliyah Madaniya Madrasa affluence and transcendental growth day by day. Thank you, everybody.